Welcome. Thanks for joining us here at the 2024 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we are here with Steve of Keystone RV to share with you the all-new 2024 Keystone Alpine 3303CK fifth wheel floor plan.
Brand new floor plan, and the first thing I want to point out here at the Super Show, we have 3 full body paint options in the Alpine world, and at the show I've got 2 of them on display today. So this one is our brand new frost black color code. So if you got that black pickup truck, you can be the trigger of the month real quick, right? So it's a beautiful option out there. You can see down the line we do have our traditional graphics on display here as well. So floor plan wise, I've got 12 of them here at the Super Show, but this is a brand new floor plan for us this year. A lot of trick features. Now, we built on this platform. Alpine's been around for a very long time. Use a 100-inch wide body frame, so it gives you more square footage living space than a lot of my competition that uses the traditional frame on the inside. Also, in addition to that, you guys know 6-point hydraulic one-touch auto level. Nice, easy to operate, has the memory when you're ready to hook back up, hit those other 2 buttons, comes back to the height truck and trailer last saw each other, makes it nice and simple to use. Real easy commands, and I'm telling you, it's idiot-proof, even I figured it out. You can do it, right? We also have on-demand water heaters. Don't have to worry about who has to take the last shower and go, oh no, we ran out of water. Cold shower! You've got that covered as well. Another nice feature, have you ever had to wrestle that 50 amp cord out there? You don't in Alpine world. It's got an electric power cord reel. You just hit the button, rolls it right back up for you. Nice and simple. Notice as I continue along with Alpine World, we use a lot of standard features, standard benefits. That's just another one of those things. We don't play the shell game with our customers and worried about did they order with package A and option B and this, that, and the other thing. Very few extra features. Okay, when you continue along, tons of outside storage. This floor plan specifically, as we lead on back, you're gonna notice all this over 130 cubic foot of storage space in here. There you got your brains for the in-command system. If you're not familiar with the in-command system, nice thing about this, you can control your entire rig from your phone or the tablets that's on the wall inside. If it's plugged into Wi-Fi, it's a nice benefit for you as well. Say you're gonna drive out to the campsite, you haven't been there all week, you can log into the in-command system, turn on your air conditioners, have it nice and pre-cooled before you get there. Another safety feature, say your wife is coming to the campsite without you, you're gonna come along later, she can turn on all the lights before she ever gets out of the truck using that in-command system. So it's a nice safety feature for you as well.
Very nice.
Yeah, absolutely. Continue on down the line, you're gonna notice, we love these Lippert solid steps. So you have your traditional treads, but when you get to the top, it's almost a double wide, and then you have a solid kick plate. You don't have to worry about any of those cute little laser cut logos that you're gonna stick your toes into and you're gonna trip. And then you also have the strut assist. Nice and light, so it does all that weight for you. Nice and easy, right?
Yeah.
In addition to that, you notice on this floor plan specifically, you have dual awnings on the outside, so tons of outdoor living space. You do already have hookups for a TV, so your cable, your power, all that. If you want to set up some outside entertainment, you've got that going for you as well. And then of course the beautiful frameless windows. 80% tint on that. It's going to protect the seals, the gaskets over time. You don't have to worry about the erosion of the windows over there. Also takes a lot of heat out of the unit from going inside. Now that's just a few of the key features on the outside. You guys ready to take a look inside?
I am entering the RV.
All right, so here we are on the inside. As I mentioned outside, we've got the 100-inch wide body frame. So notice the spaciousness side to side on this floor plan. And again, this isn't a monster floor plan. We're right over about 37 feet. So it's not like some big 42-footer going down. Look at all the space we have. It pairs perfectly with that wide body frame with our 6'10" Summit slides. Again, that volume of space that we have in here, because we know people in the Alpine world tend to be more of that full-timer, the extended stay. They're gonna be in this more. So we really wanted this to feel like an apartment. As you pan this way, notice the dual 4-foot by 5-foot windows, and we do utilize the day and night roller shades. A lot of my competition doesn't offer that, but it's very nice. If the day was sunny today, this would be very helpful for us because you can have these down, takes away a lot of that extra light coming in, but it doesn't have you sacrifice your view, all right? In addition, dining room space. Tons of room. You got the 4 seats over here, and of course this does expand. Nice and simple. So now you got room to eat, play games, whatever you want to do. Continuing to roll around on the side, full 80-foot or 80-inch sofa. 80-foot, wouldn't that be a huge unit?
Yeah.
80-inch sofa back here, so the full size. Of course, this does tri-fold out. You've got the power charging on either side, so you can charge your phone just by setting it down. Of course, you do have traditional outlets if you want to utilize laptop, do some work back here, whatever you would like to do. I'm going to pick it up because I know I'll forget it and I'll be in another unit going, where the heck did I leave my phone, right?
At least you'll find it charged.
Yeah, exactly. Cruising around This year it's brand new for us, the JBL, very simple to use, awesome stereo system. You can Bluetooth right into it, play your favorite music. You can be watching a DVD inside or a movie, watching this, and then you have Zone 2 going on outside, playing music out there as well. Of course, we did switch to smart TVs across the board. Then we went ahead and utilized storage behind there as well.
Okay.
Absolutely. Now, something that makes this floor plan really cool, let's go and switch. We'll pivot. If you come around this way, notice as you look panoramically around, you notice I don't have the traditional pantry door. So you're going, well, wait, there's no pantry. Ah, good news. Here's what we've done. We took the same cubic square feet that we would have in a traditional pantry, and we gave you dual pull-out with drawers. Both of these do all this here. So in addition to the same counter space or pantry space that you would have had, now it's easily accessible in a spot where you can get to it, and we more than doubled your counter space in this floor plan. Good idea, right?
Yes, because it's great for people that aren't tall.
Absolutely. As you continue on, we have done this on a lot of our floor plans. We've added the off-door side window just so we get that natural light coming across. Something else that we updated in all of our islands this year, this used to be 4 drawers, and these were a little bit smaller. So we said, well, let's go to 3. Now you have a huge pots and pans drawer down below. Very user-friendly and functional. Of course, the built-in trash and recycling. Everybody loves that.
Dual trash cans.
Absolutely. We've got the dual sinks here, and something, we've had this for a very long time, right? We had this, and then this was one big, massive piece. And I would see people, oh my gosh, that's so heavy. And so, hey, we broke it up for you, make it simple to use, nice and easy, and you still have the huge double-sided sink over here.
Okay.
Now check out this area. Absolutely love this. Storage on both sides, storage down below. Even this pops up, isn't that trick?
Oh, wow.
Yep, you got additional storage on top. People, I know when you like to cook, you want to have space on both sides so you can have your pots and pans. Your handles are sticking out either way. You're good to go. Ginormous Insignia oven here as well. And then one last cool feature, even this pulls out for additional countertop space. Got your drawers built right in, extra storage. Makes it really, really cool.
Right up there, we got a wine rack, too.
As we head upstairs, you're going to notice we went to the new floating stairs because, hey, let's be honest, every time somebody comes in, they kick off their shoes. Now you got this big trip hazard right here in the front of the door. Well, now you just kick them right underneath there. They're out of the way. No more trip hazard. Nice, clean. Additional storage right here. You've got the coat closet as you pop up in there. I'll let you take a look as I fly by.
Okay.
So nice and deep there. Extra storage. We know storage is always a premium. Okay. There was the brains for your in-command system right there.
Touchscreen.
Yep. And then this was brand new for us. I'm gonna let you slide in there on your own. We got the his and hers sinks, the solid surface countertop, and look at all that storage down below. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 drawers. You got the medicine cabinet up in the middle, tons of storage down below. And then even as you wrap around, you're gonna notice you have a linen closet back on this side also.
Okay.
So tons and tons of storage, tons of functionality. And of course the one-piece fiberglass shower, you don't have to worry about the seals and the different base and the top. It's all sealed up, nice and clean. Tons of headroom in there with the bubble up top. So last time I had a gentleman shooting a video, he was about 6'6". He was still in there, had his head up in the bubble, so he's good to go. Now you're gonna love this as we go in the bedroom. Now, as I mentioned, we're built on the 100-inch wide body frame, which gives us lots of space at the foot of the bed. But something cool and unique that we did with the 3303 is we actually gave you a wardrobe slide as well. So look at all this space that we have out here at the foot of the bed. And then look at all the space you have up and inside here. Good grief. Tons and tons of storage in this wardrobe.
Put a
So
cat
each
bed
got
in
your,
there.
oh, isn't that great? Absolutely. Additional storage down below under the bed. And something I always like to point out is we actually took the time to do the finish.
Very
Look,
nice.
you know, a lot of times you look under here, you see the wood chips, right? So you don't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah.
We do have the nice dimmer switch, and we're ready to drop the lights a little bit. You've got that as well. And something new we did this year. With this cabinet, we added the removable shelves, so if you don't have the washer and dryer there, you've got usable storage now also. Nice and simple. And then inside the closet, we had the shoe rack, the little bench, so if you need a place to put on your shoes, you're good to go in there as well. Lastly, we didn't touch on it down below. Every Alpine is already standard with dual 15s on your air conditioning system. We use the Blade Pure air conditioning system. Nice thing about it is you've got dual air filtration. You've got it right here and down there in the other unit. It's a simple 12-inch by 12-inch by 1-inch air filter. So if you're worried about pollen allergies, I know a lot of that hits us. You can hear a little bit of mine. It's kicking out. I just came from Indiana where it was -5. I get down here into Florida where it's really humid and fun. So there's some things going on. So hey, it's nice to know the air filters are going to get going here and keep that going in nice and clean for us.
Now, do one of these have a heat pump in it, or?
It does, the one down in your main living room. And so the heat pump, people might be asking, well, hey, why is that important? Well, good news, you realize at the campground, every time you turn on the furnace, we know whose money that is, right? That's you burning the propane.
Yep.
Well, with the standard electric heat pump, you know you're paying weekly, monthly, however you're set up at your campground. Turn on the heat pump, heat the whole unit all on electric. It's going to save you money down the line. One of the only ones in our segment that do that. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour. Again, we just scratched the surface on everything that Alpine offers. I hope you've enjoyed the 3303CK. Again, for more information, you can check us out at KeystoneRV.com/Alpine. You check it all out. We're gonna have 360 reviews, all kinds of extra fun and photos. And of course, these guys probably have a link down below, so give them a like in their video chat as well.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
we appreciate you showing us this RV. And we also thank Keystone.
See you again soon.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.